What's up, everybody? This is the Fan Dude 21 back once again. And what you're looking at here is a 52-inch brown and polished brass Hunter original ceiling fan. It is a model 22372, serial number 1810, which makes the fan date from January of 1981. It's a 2-speed fan, 2.5 amp motor. I picked this fan off a local marketplace listing a couple weekends ago. And it came just as you see here, with the light kit and everything. Fan's in pretty good condition for its age. This was a little dirty, and the blade brackets were a little bent up since the fan was sitting fully assembled on the floor, so that of course bends the blade bracket, so I had to bend those back, but that's no big deal. So, like I said, 2-speed fan, not electrically reversible. The fan has the standard seat brackets, which basically meant this fan was non-reversible at all, electrically or mechanically. As Hunter never made an electrically reversible model of this particular design fan, all the way up until 1985. So from all the way from the beginning of the C.1981 era all the way into the 1985 year for the original style fan, they were not electrically reversible, but they were mechanically reversible by means of the adapter system, which was the earliest iteration, which if you turn like a small lever position in this area right here, the blades would basically just counter pitch. And that lasted until like 1979, then 1980, all the way up until 1984. They offered the reverse air system, which was a similar design, but you got to push each individual blade bracket in and pitch them in the other direction. This one here has traditional seat brackets, which is fine by me because I have 5 of these originals from 1981, and all of them do have reverse air brackets. So it's a nice change of pace. Alright, enough rambling. Let's get this thing started. Start off here with the light. Light kit's pretty cool, looking from the 80s. It's a Moss light kit. Hunter made a similar design, Tiffany shade like this, but it had a flower pattern on the side. Gonna start up here on low. Background noise, you hear all the buzzing is on my other fans running because it is a pretty warm day today for May. And this is low speed, of course. Watch my head, the fan brings pretty low. You can hear the fan has a bit of a running whine to it there. It's pretty unusual. For me anyway. Usually they're pretty quiet for me, but there is instances where these 2.5 amp models do make noise like this. Otherwise, it's a very smooth running fan. Go ahead and shut her down. So that's about it for this video, so thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video on this 1981 brown and polished brass Hunter original ceiling fan model 22372. So thanks for watching once again. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you next time.